Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for March 23rd, 2026, Part 2. Today's theme is weather. Rugrats, Stormy Weather by Molly Wigand, illustrated by Barry Goldberg. Look, kids, said Tommy's mom, Dummy Bears is on. You can watch TV while I fix dinner. Angelica made a face. Stupid baby show. When I'm grown up. Beep, beep, beep. A loud noise came from the TV. We now bring you a special weather report, a man said. Heavy storms will move through this area, said the TV man. He pointed to a big map. Look, some baby drew on his map, said Angelica. Bet he was mad. The weatherman kept talking. Be ready to take cover. We may even see a tornado or two. A tomato? Who cares, said Chucky. We see tomatoes every day. Angelica's eyes got big. You stupid baby, she said. He means giant tomatoes that spin. Bazillions of them fall from the sky. They go right through your umbrella. You can get soaked with tomato juice. Yuck, said Phil and Lil. We hate tomato juice. Tommy thought for a minute. At least it's not giant spinning spinach. The man on the TV was still talking. Now let's check the radar screen, he said. Radar, said Chucky. Isn't that Reptar's cousin? Yeah, said Tommy. The weatherman sounded scared. There's a cold front coming this way, he said. I had a cold front once, Chucky said. I spilled juice all over my tummy. The babies laughed. The weatherman kept talking. When that cold front meets a warm front, watch out. The winds could blow down power lines. Thunder growled softly. What is that? Asked Chucky. Spike jumped up in his lap. It's the power lions. They're mad because they got blowed over, said Angelica. Tommy shook his head. It's not power lions. It's a marching band getting ready for a parade. Spike's tail wagged a little. We like parades, said Phil and Lil. The babies marched around the room and said, toot, toot. They weren't scared anymore until... Lightning flashed. Then loud thunder crashed. Angelica started to cry. Okay, Tommy Smarty Pants. If this is a parade, what was that big bang? Spike ran under the couch. The light was a camera taking a picture of our marching band, said Tommy, and the noise was all the people clapping for us. All of a sudden, the sky was really dark. Chucky said, I'm scared. Don't worry, Tommy said. He patted Chucky's hand. You know how Mom makes our room dark for nap time? Now it's nap time for the birdies. That's why their mommies made the sky so dark. Suddenly, the storm pounded the house. Oh dear, said Tommy's mom. It's raining cats and dogs. She ran to close the windows. Spike peeked out from under the couch. He ran to the window. Then he howled sadly. Mom is mixed up, said Tommy. It's raining plain old water. The babies covered their ears. They covered their eyes. They waited and waited for the storm to end. And after a while, it did. The rain stopped, the thunder stopped, and the sun started to shine. Tommy's mom opened the front door. You kids can go outside, she said. Maybe there's a rainbow. Angelica laughed out loud. That's silly, she said. Everybody knows rainbows aren't real. The babies all ran out the door. Chucky pointed up in the sky. Look, it's red and yellow and purple and green, just like in pictures. See, Angelica? It's a real live rainbow. Wow, said Tommy. Rainbows are the best part of a rainy day, said Chucky. Oh no, they're not, said Tommy. What's the best part? Asked Phil and Lil. What could be better than rainbows? Asked Angelica. Puddles, yelled Tommy, and the babies just had to agree. The end. We're going to make a thumbprint rain craft. Your craft to go kit comes from Oriental Trading, and it includes a scene. It has these little foam animals that are adhesive. These little adhesive clouds. I don't know if you can see that close up. An ink pad, which needs to be opened. I don't have any nails, so I need scissors, but I got it. And then cording so that you can hang it up. The first thing we're going to do is thread the cording through the little hole right there and tie it off so we have a hanger. I'm just going to tie a little square knot in it. That's pretty tight. The next thing we're going to do is open up the ink pad, and hopefully there is enough ink on it. I'm not sure. This is my first time using this kit. You're going to put your finger on it, and there's just a little bit of ink that comes off. Kind of dab it, and then make a fingerprint, and that'll be your rain. So just do that all over the background. If your ink pad doesn't work, you can always use blue paint. So that's why I have blue paint on the instructions that came with it. Now you can use your thumb because your thumbs will be a lot smaller than my finger. But my fingers will go size. Okay, so there's the rain. And you can save this ink pad for other usage. Then you're just gonna adhere the clouds to the top. Do it so it matches the sides there a little bit. And there's another cloud. Try not to get ink on the clouds. Oops. That's okay, I just got on the back. That might be a little... I'm gonna try to move that. Try not to stick it to the table. And then we're gonna put the little animals on. They're dancing in the rain. Splashing in the puddles. Elephant and the lion. I put these in a different order than the picture because I like symmetry and I want the two with the umbrellas on the outside. But you do it however you like. And that's all there is to it.